Hello everyone, and this is Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. And today we're going to talk about why programming is so difficult. So, before we get started, for those of you that are new to my channel, here I talk about all things coding. I help people who are learning how to code or they're in their coding journey. They can be all the way from computer science students completing their degree, just anyone diving into this world of learning how to code. So why should we talk about this? So I remember when I was starting to learn how to code many years back, I felt pretty overwhelmed with everything that you had to learn. You know, all the concepts such as variables, if-else statements, and for loops, while loops, switch statements, you name it. There was a lot of things that I had to learn. So as I keep watching those lines of code, they look like a foreign language to me. Like they could even scare me sometimes when I saw those files with thousands of lines of code. I didn't even have a clue what they did. So I empathize with everyone that is feeling like that, because I felt like that as well when I started. So the things I'm going to share with you today and the tips I'm going to give you are things that I have done so they can help you to stop feeling overwhelmed and get motivated again to learn how to code. So here is 3 tips. Let's start with number 1, and that is start from the very basics. And I know that when you start, you can get pretty excited and you're like, ooh, I want to be the next Mark Zuckerberg. I want to make the next Facebook. I want to make the next YouTube, or just any cool application that we see out there in the world today. And we just want to do it all at once. So my recommendation is start from the very, very, very basics. As simple as you can. So my advice is go from the hello world in the programming language. Oh, first you have to pick up programming language. That's for you. And if you need help with that, I have another video which I'm going to put on the link on the description below. That is going to help you to choose a language as a beginner. So first you pick up a programming language. You learn what to do a hello world and go from there. Then start learning the fundamentals such as variables, if-else statements, loops, and all that essential ideas that programming languages have. So if you ask me for a recommendation of a language, like I said on a previous video, I would recommend Python. And you can see why on the next video, because I go in depth on that topic. But that's what I would do. Start from the very basics. Go with the simplest example and then start building small programs. You know, this could be a rock, paper, scissors game, or just that I seen, like if you enter your name and ask your favorite color, things like that, you know, that can output on the screen. Things are very basic. Then start building from difficulty, and then start building applications if that's your goal. So start from the very basics. That's number 1. Number 2 is build things that interest you. And once you know the basics and you can code now, build things that can keep you motivated. And this will make coding seem even less difficult because you're going to enjoy it. So pick an interest that you have. Let's say you like video games. So start with a simple video game. Like a tic-tac-toe or something like that. Sorry about that. Then start with if you want to do games, or you want to do a mobile or web app, you know, start building from there. You know, build things that are tailored to your interests. This is very important because coding is a long-term thing. So you need to work on things that make you wake up in the morning, you know, that you like to do, that you love, you know. So you like games, do a video game. If you want to do a smartphone app to help you on your phone, go ahead and do that. But the key takeaway is build things that interest you. This will increase motivation and help you keep learning how to code for even longer periods of time. So that's the second one. And the third one that will make programming less difficult is get a coding buddy. Get a friend who wants to learn how to code as well. Do a challenge together. A very popular one that I'm going to put the link in the description below is the 100 Days of Code. Go ahead and do that challenge with your friend. Keep yourself accountable. Even spice it up if you want to go ahead and play meet with your friend and buy some pizza. Go figure, make it fun. The idea of getting a coding buddy is to keep you accountable on this journey, so you can compete and you're like, having a fun competition. So, and make it fun, if you like pizza, do a pizza coding party, and you can get a couple friends too. And what this is going to do is that, like I said, you're going to keep yourselves accountable and you're going to keep helping each other on that coding journey. It's going to make it less difficult, because let's say you're doing a challenge together, you're doing a particular exercise. If one of your friends did it, he can show you how to do it. Then on the next time you solve another one, you help him or her how to do it. And this will keep the motivation going and just make it fun, because coding is fun. Coding is awesome. So get a coding buddy. So that's all for today, guys. I know this was a short video, but this was a quick question that I got. And if you like this video, just click on that subscribe button to get more videos, because I'm posting regularly with questions that come up. And click on that like button, that thumbs up button, so I know that you like these type of videos. And click on the bell icon on the subscribe button so you get the notifications of all the videos that I'm posting regularly. So this was Felix from Felix the Dev, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.